OpenAI just made a shocking U-turn that could reshape AI's future. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavus, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Tuesday, May 6, 2025. OpenAI has announced it will retain nonprofit control by transitioning its business arm into a public benefit corporation, reversing its previous plans to become fully for-profit. This move follows months of legal battles and protests, aiming to secure trillions in funding to deliver beneficial artificial general intelligence. Meanwhile, tech giants, including CEOs from Microsoft, Adobe, and Zoom, have signed an open letter pushing for mandatory AI and computer science education in U.S. high schools to keep the nation competitive. On the tools front, Canva released its new AI-powered sheets, enabling automatic data filling and insights generation, while Nvidia open-sourced Parakeet V2, a top-tier speech recognition AI that transcribes audio in seconds with commercial-grade accuracy. Tavus sponsors the latest AI workshop today on embedding AI into ClickUp workspaces for streamlined automation. Stay ahead. These advancements signal a rapidly evolving AI landscape. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI Minute. Give this video a like and share your thoughts below.